Matisse welcomes you to another tutorial. Men, this one is just for you. So let's have a look at our shaving tutorial for men. Apply 5 ml of Matisse's shaving gel into damp hands and pat until it grows. Once it grows, apply to the face and make sure that you cover all the areas of the skin. Damp hands, damp face, and shave away. So as you are shaving, you are removing dead skin cells, but you are exposing fresh, vulnerable skin that is exposed to irritation. So an extra step post-shaving is needed. Once you're done, apply a pea-sized amount of aftershave to the skin. This will soothe and calm the irritated skin. It will also help to restructure and repair thanks to its active ingredient called tiger grass. And don't forget to moisturize with a product suitable for your skin type to make sure that the skin is hydrated. Voila! A clean, fresh, hydrated and shaved skin. So if you would like to get your hands on these products, don't forget to follow us and like us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or contact Twincare International for more information.